Welcome back, guys, to Newbie Money. Today was a very short, simple day. Small gain, and it was very choppy of a day. And I think I also came across a new, style, not style, but like when I was trading today, there were points where, because it was so slow, I was very bored, and because I was bored, I was kind of forcing some trades. But I think I caught on to that pretty quickly, and I didn't really give back too much of my profits. And in fact, actually, I added a little more to it, because I was hovering around 140 to 200 the whole day, and in the end I was able to add $60 or $80 more profit to it. So that's kind of cool to know about yourself and just kind of collect more data of your tendency of how you trade. But yeah, let's go straight to the trade recap and see what I bought today.
Welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Financial district at the tip of Manhattan is easily.
Alright, so for the watch list for today, we had of course the Bitcoin names like RIOT, Mara, but also BTBT. BTBT is one of those smaller stocks that have been exposed to the whole marijuana mania. But you guys can see this huge dump here from $20 to $12.41. It's so when the pre-market opened, there was some catalyst that came out that said, just a bunch of analysts that said they were pretty convinced that this company has zero exposure to Bitcoin, and in fact it is a fraud company that has been riding the whole Bitcoin media. So this thing dropped huge, and in the pre-market I was trying to get in a little bit, because I'm like, okay, like I'm seeing 80%, I'm seeing 28% drop, and the previous day dropped 20%. So even though it might still be a fraud company, we don't really know, but we're playing the short-term price action here. So when I saw a dip to 14.40, I bought in a little bit, and I bought it a little bit at 15.30. Then in here, when I saw it just hovering, I just kind of left it and got out, because I don't want to get there's nothing worse than losing $100 and $150 in the pre-market before the market opens, and it just kind of throws you off a little bit, right? So I was up 100, then down 140, then when I was only up to being only down $8, and I just left it and I didn't really engage it. And when the market opened, it was very choppy. Then it slowly had this downtrending, and over here it just kind of skyrocketed from $15.75 all the way to $22. So even though that does show a lot of potential to short when it's going up, it's one of those stocks where I don't have enough data from it, and also don't want to get caught in on the wrong side of it, right? So I just kind of watched it and let it go, and I didn't really do too much about it. And today was pretty much focusing on just on the low-hanging fruits. So the low-hanging fruits today was RIOT. As you guys can see here, I traded the crap out of this thing. So I was just pretty much scalping in and out, but just for the due to the nature of the market today being very choppy, it was kind of hard to predict. So I definitely have rung up a pretty hefty commission cost, probably around $120. So I'm probably walking out with $130, maybe $140 after profit, and yeah, after commission and low gate fee, I probably have $130. But you know, in the end, the fact that it was such a choppy day, and the fact that I'm walking out with a green day, is still a good sign for me, because I'm not giving into my just FOMO. I'm not giving into me trying to be a part of it. I'm sticking to my data, I'm sticking to my charts, and I'm trying to execute trades that I think are going to be profitable. One last thing to add, a really good thing I noticed I did today is I cut my losses so quick, and my entries were really good. So because my entries were good and I was waiting for the price to come to me, I had the confidence to wait it out, and as soon as it went a little bit against me, I just cut my loss, because I don't really need to hold on and hope at this point. I already have a good cushion from yesterday, and even if I add $50 of profit today, that's still a win, because I know today is a choppy day. It's not about making big moves. So yeah, I'm really happy with $251 days. I hope you guys are doing well too with your trading. I hope you guys are just focusing and just following your plan, and I know that's the hardest part, but as long as we survive and each day we trade, we learn more about ourselves and the market data. I'm gonna add one more thing too. Tomorrow I'm feeling a little bit more confident, so I'm gonna go back to my regular share size. So today would be my 4th consecutive green day. So I'm gonna be adding, instead of having my, let's just say 400 to 800 shares, I'm gonna go anywhere from 800 to 1600 shares. So my profits can be going back up anywhere from $500 to $1,000 on a daily basis, hopefully, but my max loss is not going to be $300. But yeah, so let's see how that goes. I'm not gonna force trade, even though I have more buying power. I'm still gonna wait for that good setup, but I also need to be mentally ready that $300 is going to be my max loss, and I need to be mentally ready of seeing that too on the P&L, because sometimes it kind of throws you off. But yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.